Hello and welcome to Hydromel's Hooch and Homebrew. As you can see, the mead that was made last week, specifically the Hydromel that is made with mango and honey, has started to clear. There's still some lees at the bottom. We're waiting for it to clear completely and it will be bottled. Today we're going to make something else. Once again, it's going to be a type of Hydromel. You get broad categories in alcohol. A beer is anything made with grain. Anything that's made with fruit is generally considered as the main ingredient in any case, a wine. And then anything made with honey as the main ingredient is considered a mead. 11% and under with honey is generally considered a type of Hydromel. If it is sugar-based or country fruit wine not made with wine grapes, then it is often also called a type of hooch. If it's less than 6%, it's generally considered a cider. You can make any of these items. They are very similar in nature, so it doesn't make a major difference. Today we will be making a honey-based drink that also contains juice. We will be using a clear fermenter because I like to be able to see what's going on. As you can see, the fermenter has measurements to tell us what is going on. If you see the foam in there, don't worry, the foam is just part of the sanitizer I use. For today we will be using 2 kilograms of honey, which is about 2.4 pounds of honey. And it's been heated, and it's also a lovely, wonderful, fantastic spun or filtered honey, so it's not raw. It was very cheap, so if not, why not? What do we have to lose? And the honey keeps flowing. It was heated in warm water that is sanitized, so it is clean. It is not a problem. Otherwise, this process takes forever because honey is not generally one of the things that flows the easiest on this earth. But yeah, as the base is honey, that's all we need to be able to call it a mead. The difference comes in with what we add to it. In this case, we will be adding a cranberry cooler, which is a type of fruit juice that does not contain preservatives. As you can see, we have roughly about a litres worth of honey, and we'll have about 2 litres worth of juice. That's basically cranberry juice added to apple juice. It's very normal in our area and easily obtainable at a reasonable price, and the only preservative it has is vitamin C, so it works quite well. It will be filled to about the 3 litre mark, and the rest will be filled with water until it's just over 4 litres. With the last drops in, we can see it's just beneath the 3 litre mark. So now we'll be taking some reverse osmosis water, filling it up till it is roughly at the 4.2 litre mark. It smells delightful. Strong cranberry style smells coming through. Hopefully that carries through for fermentation. If not, we can back sweeten it with the juice as well to help us a bit. Right. Next, we take a sanitized spoon and mix the honey, juice and water. It doesn't matter very much if there's a bit of oxidation at this point, or oxygen being introduced. We actually want that, so that's a good thing. As that seems to be mixed in. Now, next we need to find out how much sugar is in it, what the potential alcohol is. For that, we will be using a hydrometer and a sanitized measuring jug to give us an idea of what it is. So let's take some of this. So, okay. Our hydrometer reading is currently at, go away bubbles, 1.1, which is very, very nice. As everything's sanitized, I'll just be pouring it back inside. So, including my hands, there's a bucket of sanitizer here at my feet. And today I will not be using a dry yeast, but a yeast slurry. I fermented a hard soda. It's made with tea, lemon juice, sugar, and EC1118. The yeast or slurry was washed, which means you put water into it and mix it. It's not often done for winemaking, but quite often done for beer, which is where I started, so I often do it, and it seems to work out quite well. We don't need to use all of this. This is about 200 milliliters. We'll need about, let's say, 50 millimeters, and that will give us more than enough. So, next what we do is we add our lovely top, and then we wait. Have a lovely day.